Hi, welcome to Simple TV. My name's Jack. I'm a product development engineer here at Simple, and today I'd like to provide you with installation instructions for SimplMeter. SimplMeter is designed for easy installation. Whether you are installing SimplMeter in a home or commercial or industrial building, installing SimplMeter is straightforward. Looking at SimplMeter, there are a couple of things that are important to know and to note. Its size, it measures 2 inches by 2 inches by 1.5 inches, and its weight. SimplMeter weighs 0.3 pounds or 145 grams. It is constructed using a custom-engineered polycarbonate material that is designed to provide a clean look while at the same time is virtually indestructible. It is impervious to all weather elements and is UV resistant. SimplMeter is entirely sealed and is installed outdoors or indoors. SimplMeter has an internal Wi-Fi communication antenna. No need for clumsy antennas dangling from the unit. The antenna provides a strong signal sufficient to permeate even the most difficult installation situations, such as installing SimplMeter directly inside a metallic main panel. In most cases, local and other codes permitting, SimplMeter is installed using the 2 screw slots inside the main panel or immediately outside the main panel, indoors or outdoors. We recommend installing SimplMeter so that the top of the unit points up to the sky. This maximizes the Wi-Fi reception. SimplMeter has a set of wires on each of its 2 sides. For ease of reference, let us call this the voltage side and this the current side. On the voltage side, there are 4 wires that connect to the 3 phases and to neutral. In all cases, phase A and neutral, the black and the white wires, are required as these 2 lines power the unit. If SimplMeter is installed in a home with split phase voltage, the wire for phase C could be clipped off or simply ignored. Only the black, red, and white wires are used. In a 3-phase application, all 4 wires are used. If allowed by local codes, the voltage wires are connected to the breaker that connects the renewable energy lines to the main panel. For current measurement, correct installation of the CTs is critical. 2 items require special attention. Number 1, be sure that the CT rope for each phase envelopes all the conductors for that phase. Number 2, note that each CT has an arrow on the head clamp. The arrow on each CT must point in the direction of the power flow. The CTs connect to the current side of the SimplMeter, which has 8 pairs of blue and white wires. Each blue and white pair on SimplMeter must be connected to the current transformer supplied. As a side note, although the unit is equipped with the capability of connecting a CT to the neutral line, in most applications the CT wires for neutral may be ignored. The blue wire from each CT must be connected to the blue wire from the SimplMeter for that phase, and the white wires from each CT must be connected to the white wire from SimplMeter for that same phase. Use the snap-in connectors supplied to make these connections. The white and blue wires from the CTs easily penetrate the snap-in connectors. However, for ease of installation, we recommend that the tips of the white and blue wires from SimplMeter are stripped by no more than 0.2 inches before insertion into the snap-in connector. Once both wires have penetrated the snap-in connector, be sure to press down on the connector gently using a pair of small pliers. Please be sure that the CT that is measuring the current for phase A is in fact connected to the phase A CT wires on SimplMeter, and repeat this for all of the phases. One last note regarding the installation of the 2-channel SimplMeter. As you can see on the label, SimplMeter is equipped with 2 meters, meter 1 and meter 2. SimplMeter is set up to measure power and energy from the utility company, or the grid, using meter 1. Meter 2 is used to measure power and energy generated by the solar electric system. If you are installing a 2-channel SimplMeter, make sure that the CTs for meter 1 are used around the grid lines and that the CTs for meter 2 are used around the solar system's lines. Since in most cases, the building uses the sum of what is generated by the installed solar electric system and what is purchased from the power utility company, SimplMeter in real time calculates the power and energy consumed by the building. It is important to us that you receive the support you need for installing SimplMeters. Feel free to contact us if you have any questions or if any of these instructions are less than clear. We also recommend that you download a copy of SimplMeter's installation manual from our website.